This video will show you how to change your ringtone. First, press the silver menu button above the directional buttons. Then, use the directional buttons to select User Settings. Press the silver Select button in the center of the directional buttons. Press this button again to select the ringtone menu. You are now given an option between choosing your internal and external ringtone. You will hear the external ringtone when you receive a call from someone outside the university. Otherwise, you will hear the internal ringtone. Use the directional buttons and the silver Select button to choose your internal or external ringtone. You will now be shown a list of possible ringtone options. Use the directional buttons to move up or down. When highlighted, the ringer will sound. Press the silver Select button to choose a ringtone. Then press the round exit button below the bottom left corner of the screen to return to the home screen.